Hashtag Fitness 20-in-1 Bench Home Gym Equipments with Preacher Curl Home Gym Set. Hashtag Fitness brings you 20-in-1 bench with 50 kg PVC weight home gym and fitness kit. 20-in-1 bench features incline, decline, flat, leg curl and leg extension, chest press, butterfly lat, pull down, ground pulley and dips, arm curl. Package contents: 50 kg PVC weight, 10 kg x2 PCS, 5 kg x4 PCS, 21 2 kg x4 PCS, with Preacher Curl for biceps exercise. 1x Professional Curl ROD, weight capacity up to 100 kg, and 5 Fort Straight Rod, weight capacity up to 140 kg, plus 1 pair of dumbbell rods, hand gripper, hand gloves and skipping rope, plus 1 gym belt, plus 1 assemble tools provide, plus basic exercise guidelines provided with this combo. Please note, if any kind of damage during transit. In case of transit-related damage, replacement parts would be provided free of cost. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.